All right, guys, welcome to the MBT Collective. We are going to win and win big with this shift in AI. But let me tell you why you're going through this. First of all, I'm going to take you back, take you back a little bit, back into the days of MapQuest. Do you remember MapQuest? Some of you youngins may. All right, guys, welcome to. All right, guys, welcome to the MBT Collective. We are going to win and win big with this shift in AI. But let me tell you why you're going through this. First of all, I'm going to take you back, take you back a little bit, back into the days of MapQuest. Do you remember MapQuest? Some of you youngins may not. But back in my day, we had to go to mapquest.com when we wanted to figure out how to get anywhere that was outside of our normal travel area of our city. And so I remember taking trips to Orlando, but let me go on MapQuest and print the directions real quick, right? And so I'd have my directions printed out, ready to go, and follow those and good to go. But then something bigger and better came along. Google, Google Maps, right? So now we went from searching for just whatever random things on Google to using Google Maps, and that was amazing. It was new technology, and everybody completely left MapQuest in the dark, right? And so that's where we're headed again with this AI shift. So you see it here. There has been a 60% decline in Google searches and a 75% increase in AI usage. These two things are not exclusive. You'll even see now that when you go to search for something on Google, it tells you AI summary first, and then it gives you the results, right? And that's Google's way of competing with the AI generated searches. And so that's what we need to shift to as agents because there's literally gold in them their hills if we are a part of the movement. Now, we're able to control the narrative. We're able to take what is out there about us and our business, and we can control what Chat GPT gives you for the response. Because this is our GEO superpower, generative engine optimization. So I was able to ask Chatiana, that's what I call her. I asked Chatiana and I said, who's the best realtor for military agents or for military families in Seminole? Now, obviously, military veteran team came up first, but then me as a specific agent. I ranked above Jenny Weimer, who I believe has an office there in Seminole. Guess who does not? Me. I do not at all. However, when we launched this a few weeks, prior to this presentation, when we launched this, we made sure that all of my content out there had the Seminole office. And then in conjunction with my strong bio, because this is pulling directly from my bio that's out there. So in conjunction with my strong bio, do you see that it's pulling me in here? Right? Now, it gets even better. Who was the top pick? If I were you as a veteran first-time home buyer in Seminole, Florida, I'd call the military veteran team and especially reach out to Jessica Cassel through them. Why? I specialize in military veteran clients. I'm a certified military relocation. Um, I've got my MRP and I offer commission rebates to veterans. And so I'm able to control the narrative and become the best choice in Seminole. And that is simply because of the Seminole address, right? And so that's what we're doing. And that's how we're able to control this. Imagine you are able to generate your own leads organic leads because you're able to control the narrative out there about you. And how we're doing this is through the blogs. So we have put together some amazing tools for the team to be able to create these blogs so that it's able to pull all this information about us, and use these tips and tools and all these things that we can put into these easy peasy blogs and generate more pages for the internet to find us. And that's all this comes down to. Who has the most pages about them? The most pages with their name and their location and the areas that they serve. And then having strong bios everywhere also is what puts us ahead of the game. So that is why we are doing this. That is what we're creating. We're putting ourselves first in the rankings. We're creating our own content ecosystem, and we're using the data that's out there about us that integrates with AI. AI is already looking through pages and all those things and blogs. And so we're taking the time to become top tier and first. Now, I get it. The rest of this is going to seem like a huge overwhelm, but that's why I'm doing this in these bite-sized videos so we can take our time and truly come to understand what it is that we're doing and how to do. So, without further ado, you guys can scan this QR code and meet Jamie. Jamie is your AI tool that is going to be on the main page of your pages. So that's something else that we have cooked up for everybody is giving everyone their own page, their own website. And through here, they're going to have access to Jamie and be able to, your clients are going to be able to go to your website and find your AI tool that can help them find properties, right? So Jamie is pretty awesome. And we're going to take it a step further, right? And we're going to go into how to create your socials to be just as omnipresent as well. So, welcome to the collective. I can't wait to show you guys what we have for you. So, let's get started.